Can you really fix your injury with more and more exercise? I don't think so. Actually, you can't. What's up, everybody? My name is Dr. Matt Maggio, and I am the creator of the Peak Method and the founder of the Soft Tissue Revolution, and I'm on a mission to make chronic injuries obsolete. In today's video, just going to get face first with you and really talk about what's going on. You know, there's so many people out there, this whole idea on the internet, especially with social media, with YouTube, with Facebook, with Instagram, you got all these pretend doctors that are out there telling you how to fix your injury with more and more exercise. There's even people that say, hey, you can get out of pain without ever having to go to a doctor or miss time at the gym. Think about that. That's some crazy stuff. But that's what's being perpetuated out there in this current market. Here's the thing. When you're injured and you're in pain, it's happening for a reason. And essentially what happens is people think that they need more and more exercise to fix the problem. But the thing is, it's not going to get to the root cause of the problem. Anytime you're injured, there's three issues that you have to account for. One is you need to restore normal range of motion back to that injured area. Number two is you do have to balance the strength about what's going on. And number three is then you increase the strength. So what happens over time is your body gets really beat up, it gets overused, and your muscles start to lay down a lot of scar tissue. And I've talked about other videos, and I'll link it in here as well to the video about scar tissue. And scar tissue is the most common cause for decreased flexibility, pain, and weakness. The other thing is it's completely reversible with expert treatments. And all the people that are trained in the Peak Method and part of the Soft Tissue Revolution are experts at finding and fixing scar tissue and reducing inflammation from chronic musculoskeletal injuries. But here's the thing. When you get in there and you do exercises first, it's kind of like building a house, but not putting the foundation down first. Now, here's the other thing. Exercise and giving advice is really cheap. It's easy to do and it's easy to scale at mass. But the problem is the exercise is not going to fix your tissue. You have to get that tissue cleaned first. And here's the hard part. It's not easy to fix. It takes years of practice, defining and learning how to do that. So any jackwagon out there can sit there and go, oh yeah, just do these exercises and you're going to be good to go. That shit doesn't work. And people are doing more and more of that, and they're wasting time. You always have a window of opportunity for your injury to actually be fixed by conservative care. And that conservative care starts with a soft tissue specialist that can go in there and restore range of motion by breaking down that tissue. Exercise is not going to be able to do it. I give this analogy of, think of all that scar tissue as like plaque on your teeth, and eventually it causes a cavity. And that's where we have bigger problems with the tendons, with the joints, and the disc. You cannot fix a cavity by brushing and flossing your teeth. That's what exercise is. But these people are out there continuing to blast the internet with all their magic fixes. If we just get things moving, it's going to be a lot better. You can fix it with exercise. You can fix your own injury. That's bullshit. You cannot fix your own injury. And anyone that tells you that, they are a charlatan and they're selling you snake oil bullshit. And all you're going to do is waste your money. I get a little fired up when I see this because I just can't handle going through my feed and seeing all these jackasses, specifically personal trainers and physical therapists that are like, yep, I can just do my program from home and fix you. It doesn't happen. And people are perpetuating that even more in the COVID epidemic. But you need to get to a practitioner that can actually get in there and fix the tissue. Then the exercise will help. But if you start with the exercise before you get the tissue fixed, you're never going to be better. So that's all I got for you on this video. If you know someone that's been struggling, they've done all those online training programs, those exercise programs, physical therapy, chiropractic, and they're still in pain and they're up against surgery and they don't think that they can get better, have them reach out to us. There's a link down below that has our website that go directly in and you can get a consultation with one of our practitioners all over the country and really get some answers about what's going on with your pain, with your injury, and actually get your problem fixed instead of kicking the can down the road. And if you have any other comments, questions, or concerns, send us a message. We're always here to help. And I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.